Okay guys, today we have a problem. Our Jeep is not legal for the roads, or his Jeep. So we had to get a new seat belt. And this one, the button is stuck in, it won't hold the seat belt in place. And that's a huge ticket here in Florida. So this is the driver's side seat belt. You see the wire, I've already pulled out the sheathing. The wire here, this is for the seat belt sensor. Most of y'all bypass that, and because that buzzer and stuff sucks. But this is the old seat belt. Now let's see the new seat belt. We got the new seat belt from Quadratec, and it's basically, it was very hard to find for a CJ or a YJ 2004 Jeep Wrangler. But here it is.
2004.
2000. Oh, I'm sorry. 1994.
What kind of Jeep are you talking about?
Okay, so this is our unboxing. When you unbox it, you get your shipping label. You get a magazine so you can buy more cool Jeep parts. Yay! And you get a new seat belt. And if you have to pull the seat belt back down, this seat belt's not stapled in here like the old one was, so you have to pull it back down to make your bolt hole line up. So they say it's OEM, but it's not exact. We also don't match exactly on color. This really looks like an old seat belt. And this is the one that has the sheathing around it. So it's going to look different, but will be legal. So let's go ahead and stick in. Y'all stay tuned. So when you first get ready to install your seatbelt, make sure it fits, it latches, and then you'll notice that this one didn't have the wire, so we're not going to get that annoying seatbelt light because there is no wire. I don't know why they charged so much and not include the wire. That kind of part of a driver's side seatbelt. Okay, so when you're going to install, this is my son's Jeep. He doesn't like to clean. Of course, you have to find the hole that you originally took the seatbelt out of. And then you want to take in your star. You've got to tighten it down. So, make sure this is going the right way. Make sure when you get to the end, make sure that seatbelt is good and tight. Nothing like flying out of a soft top Jeep onto the road. And there we go. So it's installed. It's good to go. Guys, if you like this channel, please subscribe. If you like this video, hit that like button. It's down there, looks something like that. And if you're looking for great eats, good recipes, check out diningwithdanielle.com. Great recipes, low in sugar and salt. Made me a lot healthier than what I used to be. So, y'all, leave comments and take care. Bye.